Weather report, it's sunny and 70 degrees outside, which means it's Christmas time.
Yay, Christmas in Texas. Welcome to this year's Zero to Awesome Christmas special.
It's gonna be special. Christmas spirit, I release you!
Last year, we celebrated Christmas by doing the traditional Christmas herding, followed by making some hamburgers in a field, and then feeding those hamburgers to some moo cows. This year, we don't want to get any more angry letters from PETA, so we're not going to do that.
Also, philosophically, I am now vegetarian. It seems like of the stable of SUVs, one of them is not in the Christmas spirit. We have Rudolph the Red-Nosed Wrangler, and we have Sparkles the light-up Forerunner.
You know what? Sarah, she's just not in the Christmas spirit. I think we need to fix that.
If these SUVs are in the Christmas spirit, we're in the Christmas spirit, Sarah, you gotta get in the Christmas spirit.
It's time to fix this problem. And to give Sarah some extra holiday spirit, we've got a few things here. We've got Rudolph that we harvested from the Red-Nosed Wrangler. We have Alan's stocking, some lights, and the rest of Alan's Christmas light collection.
Most importantly, we have the traditional Christmas mythical creatures, like this brontosaurus and this unicorn.
Because it's not Christmas unless you have a brontocorn.
If they made it, they could make one. Did I just refer to a brontosaurus as a mythical creature?
Yeah.
Well, science.
It's a Christmas miracle! SaraTerra now has the spirit of Christmas all in, throughout, and over her. What a spectacular sight.
She even contains surprises on the inside.
Oh, like a half-inflated unicorn. Oh, there it goes. Hello. And then we got these guys up front for, heavy driving situations. They'll turn on and show you nothing. They'll just blind you on the road, probably. I'm glad they have light sensors and they're not on right now.
Although if it gets dim while we're on the road, we're going to jail.
Yeah, well, until we run out of extension cord, and then it doesn't matter.
We do have a solution for that. When we're not hooked up to shore power, we have our inverter, so Sarah can go down the road with the true Christmas spirit.
In fact, we should probably hit the road because we got some shopping to do, don't we?
We were talking about how Sarah has been a very giving project. She has given us many oil stains on the floor, and she has given us many bloody, bruised knuckles, and many reasons to drink beer and say bad words. And for the holiday season, she just has a little bit more to give.
Yes, so Sarah's gonna give to either a local food bank or a toy drive. We're not sure which yet because we have to find one, but we're gonna head to the store, buy some stuff, and drop it off somewhere. Someone's front yard, I don't know.
Or if we get stuck on the road, we'll have provisions. I thought we were doing candy. Who doesn't like candy on the holidays?
Candy, candy cane, candy corn.
Syrup.
Syrup. All right, here we go.
I just noticed that this hat you're letting me borrow is from Victoria's Secret.
Shh, it's a secret, you wouldn't understand.
I feel so confident with myself. We found something that drives worse than SaraTerra. This shopping cart with about 300 pounds of canned goods. Some kid's gonna be really upset they're out of pudding. Do you think like express checkout, 15 items or less?
That just rocks. Did you make it?
No, it's been in my storage unit for
years. It was made by a fine man named Home Depot, I think.
Yeah, Home Depot.
Depot.
He wears a
Yeah.
lot of orange aprons.
While he was sitting on the pot, he
Yeah.
came up with the
Oh, that's
at home. Yeah, I'm sorry.
no, that's
I don't
a good-
even know you guys.
That's fine. No,
I'm
that's-
sorry. That's just too awesome. I like it.
Oh, thank you. Yeah.
So creative. So
Thank you.
Thank you.
So we got all the food in the back. I don't know what happened to those Christmas trees you bought though. Did you eat them already?
No, they're right here. You want one?
Road food. Here you go, unicorn. Oh, he's not hungry right now. He's not feeling so good.
He's looking a little deflated.
Brontosaurus update. He is rated to at least 40 miles an hour. We're not gonna push it past that though, because we like our Brontosaurus.
I did not think a creature that big, and let's be honest, 65 million years old, could go that fast.
You know how dogs like to stick their heads out the window?
Well, when you have a longer neck, window would be dangerous. So this is the only safe way to haul your Brontosaurus. Good news, SaraTerra goes in reverse. Some would say right now SaraTerra's backing it up. They're staring. We're standing out. I think this is how the pilgrims felt when they climbed to Everest to celebrate the first Christmas.
People seem to like the SaraTerra. They also like the outfits because I mean, come on, this is just classy as hell.
Fun fact, he's allergic to cats.
It's true.
It's like keep your enemies close situation.
Yeah. But we're not quite done yet. We haven't got to see Sarah's lights and what these light cannons up front can do, so we're gonna wait for it to get dark and we're gonna spread some more Christmas cheer.
Did you just use the word cannon?
That's what they are, right?
I like that. The sun has gone down. It's time for the Christmas spirit to come out. Christmas spirit, I release you! Let's see how the spirit blaster cannons are working. Oh yeah.
We need to go spread some holiday cheer.
I think there's not enough cheer in this neighborhood. Let's change that. Ah, yes, here we go. Sarah the Xterra, you had a leaky pan, so we put a gasket on you, and you no longer leak right now. Will you leak again? You probably will, but by then you'll be dead on the side of the road, so that's okay, I guess. There must have been some magic in that old Nissan we found, for where we put big tires on it, and now we drive it around. Sarah the Xterra, you are kind of reliable. We're gonna paint you and turn you into a camper, but right now you're not legal. Actually, you just passed inspection and you're insured. So what we're doing just right now is kind of by the law. Sarah the Xterra, you bring so much joy, specifically to this neighborhood that is probably calling the cops. I think I see a house up here without the Christmas spirit. We should probably share a little of our Christmas spirit with them, don't you think? Cannon 1, fire. Cannon 2, fire. Cannon 3, fire. Cannon 3, adjust for a more upward angle. Wow. Now, isn't that so much more festive? You're welcome. We'll send you the bill later. we might have gotten a little overboard with Christmas this year with lasers and unicorns and dinosaurs and lights.
And Alan singing carols from the roof, but you know.
They were beautiful. If you like what you see, hit subscribe. If you hate what you see, give us a thumbs up. Oh, whoa. Did we get a can opener? Am I the only one surprised that the Rudolph the Red-Nosed Wrangler came with a tail? Also, brown side out, fuzzy side out? This is a weird reindeer. This is how the Bronicorn was invented. You better not cry. SaraTerra's coming to town and we might die because this is kind of put together by us.